Diolch yn Rina, mae'n anhygol i feddwl am yr arddangosfa yma yn mynd mewn i llyfrgelloedd ysgolion a awdurdodau lleol, yn enwedig pan dyn ni'n ystyried hanes ein gwlad a adran 28 oedd yn dylanwadu ar cymaint o ysgolion a awdurdodau am gyfnod rhy hir yn dal yn parhau i wneud. So llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn ar y gwaith ydych chi wedi gwneud fan hyn. Wrth dyfu lan yn hoyw mewn teulu dosbarth gweithiol yma yng Nghymru, roedd gen i llawer o fodelau rôl. Roedden nhw'n gydernydd i fi, nath nhw helpu i fi gryfhau fy nghystadleuadau gyda'n ngwreiddiau, gyda'n cymuned. Fe nath nhw ddilysu fi. Yn anffodus, does dim un ohonyn nhw, doedd dim un ohonyn nhw yn hoyw deurywiol traws neu lesbian, neu o leif os oedden nhw dod neb yn siarad amdani. Thank you, Narina, so much for your contribution and Pride Cymru for this amazing exhibition, which just a few years ago would have been unthinkable. Going into schools, libraries, local authorities, all explicitly banned this kind of promotion, and I still don't see a buy one gay, get one free sign on any of the panels, under Section 28, of course. Growing up gay in a working class family in South Wales, I had many role models. They helped affirm me, they helped strengthen my ties to my community, they validated who I was and where my roots lay. Sadly, not one of them was gay, bi, trans or lesbian, or at least if they were, we didn't talk about it. We know how important role models are to our sense of self. Young people in particular tell us how much better they feel when they have someone to look up to. Role models exist in small and large workplaces and of course are hugely empowering to our next generation. This exhibition reminds us of the shoulders on who we stand. I want to pay particular tribute to two of those people. Firstly, Gloria here, the team of Stonewall Cymru couldn't be proud to have you. As an organisation, as a team who are now growing to 10 members of staff beyond your wildest dreams back in the day, we stand on your shoulders and those of many others, so llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. And secondly, when I was growing up, people, as I mentioned, didn't talk about the gays. One morning in 1984, my dad, ex-miner, came out, didn't come out, he came out of the living room. I was still asleep and said to my mum, I'll put this politely, oh golly gosh, even the homosexuals are supporting us now. You have to give me a few pints before I tell you the real version of that. But it was, the word he used was queers, even the queers are supporting us now. And the thought that my dad could say something positive, and that was positive. Yeah, it was. I worked it out over the last 30 years. About gay people. It was the first thing I'd ever heard my family say. And one of the allies that we've got here, who's going to be speaking to you next, is Di Donovan, made famous by the film Pride, but in my heart, always a role model and an ally for literally saving the lives of many people in my generation from what he did during the miners' strike. Be in no doubt, though, the past 12 months show us quite clearly how the narrative of the outsider has gained frightening traction and has historical resonances that I don't bear consider. Prejudice and hate has been emboldened. Those voices feel validated when prejudice and hate and misogyny are dismissed as locker room banter. Think also of the horrific events of 2016 and even into 2017, and think of the imams, Think of the Muslim community centres in Orlando that were straight out there on the streets raising hundreds of thousands of dollars for the survivors and victims of the horrific events in Orlando. And think also of the loud voices that got the media attention right then, criticising Muslims for an act of hate. Think recently to the hundreds of thousands of people that turned up on the women's marches. Think also to the marches against the Muslim ban and in support of refugees and asylum seekers. And know this, that allies are powerful, allies are crucial. Allies have never been more important, and it has never been more important for us to be allies to others. So today my message is reach out, role model your values, and think how you can be a better ally, and to who. To create a world where everyone, everywhere, can be accepted without exception. Thank you.